4,195 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 7th May 2021. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, Goa's recovery rate is 70.41%. 2,175 people recovered in last 24 hours. 56 new deaths reported today. In total, 1,557 deaths have been reported till 7th May 2021. Total active cases in the state now stands at 31,716. Breakup of total 31,716 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa, CSC Bicholim 977, CSC Sake 1519, CSC Pernam 1056, CSC Valpai 707, USC Mapsa 1663, USC Panji 2023, PSC Aldona 726, PSC Bedki 667, PSC Kandolim 1599, PSC Kansarvarnam 258, PSC Korwaye 763, PSC Kolim 812, PSC Chimbal 978, PSC Shualim 1087, PSC Pororim 1610, PSC Mayam 398, Travelers by road, flight, train 5. South Goa, CSC Kurchorim 772, CSC Kankona 598, USC Margao 2355, USC Vasco 1071, PSC Bali 620, PSC Kansaulim 1067, PSC Chinchenim 474, PSC Kortalim 1299, PSC Kurtorim 588, PSC Lutolim 766, PSC Marsaam 668, PSC Kapam 476, PSC Sangam 549, PSC Shiroda 699, PSC Darabandara 764, PSC Ponda 1564, PSC Navelim 538. Bed capacity in COVID care center are as follows. District North, total capacity 275, current vacancy 115. District South, total capacity 180, current vacancy 52. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.